Prescolite is a division of Hubbell Lighting and a major manufacturer of high-performance downlighting, track lighting, and surface lighting. With 80% of existing buildings using lighting that was installed more than 20 years ago, Prescolite developed the industry's first listed commercial retrofit downlight, the Retroficient. Retroficient LED is a standalone product designed to retrofit existing 6-inch downlight housings, no matter the brand or manufacturer. These fixtures require no bar hangers for installation and are easily installed into drywall or T-bar ceilings without requiring top access.
With new, more aggressive mandates for energy conservation in existing facilities, as well as an increased emphasis on the importance of energy-efficient lighting sources, Retroficient LED conquers issues like complicated, time-consuming installation that must be done inside a finished ceiling.
The system is designed for optimal life of at least 50,000 hours.